Hi everyone, I'm Elham, a yoga instructor. I'm here to guide you through each pose and help you practice safely with proper alignment. Today we'll break down triangle pose, also known as Trikonasana. It means we'll practice this pose step by step. Triangle pose is one of the foundational standing yoga poses, and this practice helps to build strength, to improve balance, and to increase flexibility. Let's begin by coming into mountain pose. Stand tall. Please close your eyes. Feel your feet rooted into the ground. Take a moment to center yourself with few deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Great job. Open your eyes from here. Step your feet out about twice shoulder width apart, okay? Turn your right foot out to the right side so your toes point to 90 degrees, and turn your left foot slightly in about 45 degrees, okay? Align your right heel with the arch of your left foot, okay? Engage your right thigh and gently rotate it outward from the inner thigh, okay? And keep your left hip back. And if it feels discomfort, soften or ease through your left side. From here, extend your arms out to the side at shoulder height and actively reach through your fingertips. Reach your upper body to the right side and gently shift your hips to the left side. Lower your right hand down to your shin, ankle, or the floor, wherever is comfortable for you. You can also use a block under your hand, okay? And extend your left arm up toward the sky or the ceiling and turn your head to gaze at your left thumb, okay? If it feels uncomfortable in your neck or your shoulder, you can keep your left arm on your hip and gaze forward instead, okay? You should feel a nice stretch through your right hamstring and inner thigh. If it feels too intense, you can always soften your right knee a little, okay? Okay. Stay here and keep this pose for 5 deep breaths. After that, on your next inhale, press through your feet to come up to standing, okay? And prepare to move into the pose on the other side. Hope this practice felt great and helped you in some way. See you next time. Namaste.